Perfect start of the day, right on the beach, and I will now have breakfast and get ready to head to another beach place. Oh, I love this life. Alright, so I'm leaving my little beach hotel. Time to go. And of course the fun part of the hotel being on the beach is that we have to do this little sandy road. But beautiful, right? But a lot of sand. Alright. Goodbye, hotel. How do we do this? We do it like this. I'm too lazy to deflate the tires just because of this a little stretch, so I'll try to do it with the tires fully inflated. It's just like 500 meters from what I've heard, so it shouldn't be too bad. All these people chilling on the beach. Okay, this is a little bit deep. What? Oh shit. It's kind of funny that this is the only way to get to this hotel, the sandy beach road. Maybe I should stop and take a photo now that we're on the beach. I think those 500 meters were a lie because it's obviously more. But according to GPS, we will turn in 200 meters. And here there is no sand. We're done with the sand. Oh, for now. And today we're heading to San Bernardo del Viento. It's just a short ride, about 2 hours. So these days I'm just moving like 2 hours a day from one beach to another, because I really want to enjoy some beach time in the afternoon. Oh, these are some really cute huts. From here on there is a road along the beach. There are even road signs, look at this. Wow. And yes, there is a road. Somewhat paved. Yeah. Nice. I can imagine that last week during the Easter break this was all full of people. Oh, and here the paved part kind of just disappears. Off-road it is, but look at this. Beautiful. Coveñas is pretty cool, I must admit. This is the central beach of Coveñas town. Very nice. But it was really cool to stay where I stayed, so I don't regret it. Because there it was just so private and right on the beach. And the sandy ride this morning was really cool. Well, this morning, it was just 1 hour ago. So Coveñas is like a typical beach town. Look at all this. 1,000 sombreros. Hats and caps and all that. Ooh, there is even an ara there. Oh, I'm so tempted to stop for Pan de Bono. Do I want? Yes, I do want, but temptation. I really want that Pan de Bono. I was strong and did not enter ara. Pan de Bono is such a nice thing. According to the forecast, the rain should be starting somewhere these days. But people here don't believe in the forecast, so what do you think? Am I going to see some rain before I leave the coast? Or am I going to be lucky and it's going to be nice and sunny and I can enjoy the last beach days? What happened to the road here? Whee! Quite a big town. So cute with his flip-flops. Ara. Wow, this is a very big town. I've never heard about it. And this road is obviously in construction. So like all this small gravel and lots of dust. I'm looking at all these local people, and depending on what they're wearing or what they're carrying, I'm trying to imagine who they are and what they're doing. And this fancy lady with a black plastic bag, and then this flower decorated seat. Like, what do all these details tell about the people who ride these motorcycles? Isla Fuerte. I've heard it's a pretty cool island. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to visit it. Maybe. We'll see. Some kind of super narrow bridge. Whee! And that truck, what is doing there? And what? How are we supposed to handle this? Exciting! Wow! Quite a big river. So this road is partly paved, let's call it that. It's kind of falling apart in quite a few places, which makes it, whoa, quite fun to ride. What is this bottleneck here? So much traffic, and everybody's kind of trying to avoid all these potholes and driving like crazy. Fun game, fun game. look at this river. So green and so beautiful. Haven't seen anything that green for a while. Oh, can't look at the river now. Gotta look at the road. There we go. Green. So this is San Bernardo del Viento. But we of course are not going to stay here because it doesn't have a beach or a coastline, and we're gonna continue until we find a nice small beach town. But I think we're pretty close already. So according to the map, there is supposed to be an Ara shop here. Perfect parking. I just want a very, very quick Pan de Bono. I want to show you what it is. So this is what I'm talking about. Pan de Bono. 2,500 pesos, which is like 50 cents, 60 cents maybe. And there are two for me. Let's try this. It's like pastry with cheese inside. So tasty. This is like my little addiction here in Colombia. Whenever I see an Ara, that's the chain of supermarkets. I just have to pass by and buy one. Or maybe two. Now that I have satisfied my craving for Pan de Bono, let's go look for that beach. Massive pilgrimage of school kids. Wow. What is it, 1 p.m. now? A lunch break, or they're done for today? Wow, look at them. Cool kiddos on motorcycles. Bridge. There are quite a few rivers around here. Whee! And we're getting close to the seaside again. I don't know if it was Pan de Bono which made me so happy, or the close proximity to the beach. But I'm like, whee! Happy! So the beach is somewhere on the right. I don't know, maybe 500 meters. Can't really see it from here. Like, it's all some kind of houses and quite a few hotels as well. But I kind of like the vibe here. It's like very local, very chill. So we're now turning towards a little village which supposedly has boats towards Isla Fuerte, and that's an island that I would like to visit. So I really hope I can find a hotel or some place to stay pretty quickly and go to that island for a couple of hours. So let's check out the rooms here. Quite a nice place. Look how cute. So yeah, decided to stay. I got this room with an aircon for like $15 per night. So Very good deal. Hello. So now I'm getting changed and going to the port to ask for the boats. So Anderson and I went to check the boat schedule for the day, and apparently there are not so many options. There is one leaving right now, but I'll only have like 1.5 hours on the island. So instead, I decided to take a boat tomorrow morning and come back at noon. And now I'm asking my friend Anderson what I can do here in the afternoon. Bueno, ¿qué dices? ¿Qué hay que hacer por acá?
Pues acá muchas cosas que hacer, como ir a pasear, caminar, conversar con algunas personas, ir al parque en la noche.
And we went for a little walk along the beach. This rock right there is like this tiny little island, and there is a hotel there, so you can take a boat and spend the night on that little rock. These are stories by Anderson. He's my local guide here. Since this is a small fishing village, it's all fish, and I love it. Whee! And this is a blue crab. There are plenty of them here.